Consciousness expresses itself through creation. The world we live in is the dance of the Creator. Namaste, everyone. We welcome you all to the virtual concert organized by Natya Sabha, Mysuru. Today's performance is by Kumari Kriti. Kumari Kriti is a young and a passionate dancer inspired by performance of Srimati Nirupama Rajendra. She evinced an interest in Kathak. She started her intense training under Guru Nirupama Rajendra and Sri T.D. Rajendra for 6 years and honed her skills further from Acharya Srimati Pooja Bhatt and Sri Tushar Bhatt for some years. She is now taking the guidance from Srimati Vijayashree Chaudhary in Mumbai, senior disciple of Padma Vibhushan Pandit Birju Maharaj. She has extensively performed with her gurus in various prestigious festivals and at many platforms. She got an opportunity to attend various workshops of Padma Vibhushan Pandit Birju Maharaj, Padma Bhushan Srimati Kumudini Lakhya, Prashant Shah, Anuj Mishra, Durga Arya, and others to enrich her knowledge in Kathak. She created an ensemble Treya with a combination of Kathak, Bharatanatyam, and Odissi. The group has performed at several festivals and corporate shows. Her enriched creativity paved the way for performances across the cities and states. Firstly, the artist will be performing Ganesha Vandana. Lord Ganesha is widely revered as Lord of Beginnings, as the remover of obstacles, a patron of arts and sciences, and the Deva of intellect and wisdom. This composition has a combination of kavit and bols, extolling the virtues of the deity by showing hastas, bodily postures, and movements. Ganesha Vandana set to Teen Tal, the music by Bhagyashree Vaze. Let's praise Lord Ganesh for today's special evening. From the top.
Siddhi Vinayaka विघ्न विनायक हे गणनायक विघ्न विनायक
गणानां गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोर भुजाचार एकदंत चंद्रमा ललाटराज ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश ताल दे धूप गाव अति विचित्र गणनाथ आज मेरे दंग बजावे धर 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 गदा दिन दिन नग नग धन धर दिन तक दिन तत्रिगिन त्रिगि त्रिग दिन दिन तिनक तिनक दाग दान कृत घरान तरान दाग कृत घरान तरान कृत घरान तरान धरान तरान दाग कृत घरान तरान दाग कृत घरान तरान धरान तरान दाग कृत घरान तरान दाग कृत घरान तरान
हे गणनायक विघ्न विनायक हे गणनायक विघ्न विनायक सकल विश्व का मंगलदायक सकल विश्व का मंगलदायक हे गणनायक हे गणनायक हे गणनायक
Next, the artist will be presenting a Devarnama, Baro Krishnaya, composed in Kannada by great Saint Kanakadasa from Karnataka. Baro Krishnaya, Ninna Bhaktara Manegiga. Come Krishna to your disciples' house. Show me your beautiful face. Sri Kanakadasa was the disciple of Vyasatirtha Swamiji, a great Indian philosopher. One day, Vyasatirtha requested Kanakadasa to visit him in Udupi, a small city in Karnataka. This beautiful city also has a Krishna temple that Kanakadasa was keen to visit and offer his prayers. But he was not let to enter the temple by the Brahmin priests, claiming Kanakadasa belonged to a lower caste. Even after Vyasatirtha asked them to let him in and offer his prayers, they disagreed. Kanakadasa camped outside the temple and started composing songs and poems in praise of Lord Krishna. To the utter disbelief of the Brahmin priest and the entire city, it thus happened that the outer wall of the temple cracked and fell down. Lord Krishna's idol turned around to face Kanakadasa. Kanakadasa offered his prayers wholeheartedly to Lord Krishna. In today's presentation, the Bhakte remembers the Lord Krishna Darshana to Kanakadasa and requests if she also gets an opportunity to see you once. Come and stay with me, Krishna, inside my heart. The music by the Orchid Music singer Kumari Spurti Rao.
Krishna बारैया बारो कृष्णैया ವಾಸ ಉಡುಪಿಲಿ ನೆಲೆಯಾದಿ ಕೇಶವನೇ ವಾಸ ಉಡುಪಿಲಿ ನೆಲೆಯಾದಿ ಕೇಶವನೇ ವಾಸ ಉಡುಪಿಲಿ ನೆಲೆಯಾದಿ ಕೇಶವನೇ ದಾಸ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ವಾಸ ಉಡುಪಿಲಿ ನೆಲೆಯಾದಿ ಕೇಶವನೇ ದಾಸ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ದಾಸ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ದಾಸ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ದಾಸ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ದಾಸ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ಸಲಹಲು ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ದಾಸ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ ಸಲಹಲು ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ನಿನ್ನ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಈಗ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ
The word ghazal is an Arabic word, means to sweet talk, to flirt, to display amorous gestures. The ghazal is based upon a series of poetic couplets which are woven together by a rhyming formation. The ghazals are woven around unreciprocated love, madness, mystical reflection, and even social commentaries. But the most important theme of ghazals is unrequited love. Today, we are presenting A Ankhon Ki Rangat, relating to Vasaka Sajjita of Ashtanayikas, the heroine who is preparing for an arrival of her beloved after a long time by decorating herself. Reading his letter, Shri reminisces all her long-lasting days with him. At last, she portrays Abhisarika Nayika, who set aside her modesty and moves out of her home to meet her beloved in the moonlit night.
बहुत याद आई आज तुम्हारी। तुमसे तो दिल की बात करनी थी। मुद्दत हो गई जो हम मिले, रूबरू होके बात करनी थी।
ये आँखों की रंगत बदलने लगी है। ये आँखों की रंगत बदलने लगी है। वो चेहरे पे आया निखार आज कैसा। ये आँखों की रंगत
सके, बस निगाहों से बात करनी थी। दिल ने कहा कुछ मांगा है तुमसे, हमें तो बस सुकून से बात करनी थी।
नजरें झुकाऊं, नजरें झुकाऊं, न चिलमन गिराऊं, नजरें झुकाऊं, न चिलमन गिराऊं। खुदा जाने इनमें खुमाराज कैसा, खुदा जाने इनमें खुमाराज कैसा। ये आँखों की रंगत बदलने लगी है, वो चेहरे पे आया निखार आज कैसा। ये आँखों की रंगत बदलने लगी है।
रास्ते हैं जुदा जुदा फिर भी एक मंजिल की बात करनी थी। मिलो न कभी रात के आने पर, चांद तारों की बात करनी थी।
ये रुखसार को रुखसार की चमक भी, ये रुखसार को रुखसार की चमक भी बताते हैं मन में ख्याल आज कैसा, बताते हैं मन में ख्याल आज कैसा। ये आँखों की रंगत बदलने लगी है, वो चेहरे पे आया निखार आज कैसा। ये आँखों की रंगत बदलने लगी है।
चंद जुमले ही कहे सुने तुमने, कम से कम कुछ तो बात करनी थी। ठहर जाते तो बन जाता अफसाना, बीते लम्हों की बात करनी थी।
अब कयामत से खुद को बचाना हुआ, अब कयामत से खुद को बचाना। समंदर में उठता है तूफान ये कैसा, समंदर में उठता है तूफान ये कैसा। ये आँखों की रंगत बदलने लगी है, वो चेहरे पे आया निखार आज कैसा। ये आँखों की रंगत बदलने लगी है।
बहुत याद आई आज तुम्हारी। तुमसे तो दिल की बात करनी थी। मुद्दत हो गई जो हम मिले, रूबरू होके बात करनी थी।
Rasa, an innovative nritta or pure dance segment, creates alluring patterns of abstract Kathak movements by bringing the fluidity and elegance in the space. The structure of a conventional Kathak nritta tends to follow a progression in tempo from slow to fast and ending with a dramatic climax and sums. This rhythmic compositions includes Amad, Tukudas and Tihayas. Rasa, set to Teen Tal, music and choreography by Sri Prashant Shah, Ahmedabad, senior disciple of Padma Bhushan Srimati Kumudini Lakhya.
रसा यतो हस्तस्ततो दृष्टिः यतो दृष्टिस्ततो मनः यतो मनस्ततो भावो यतो भावस्ततो रसः रस। परंपराओं की जड़ों का जतन करते हुए आज हम छूते रहेंगे रस की एक नई क्षितिज। रस
Tarana have become an important part of Kathak dance repertoire. This brings out the essence of the melody and rhythm through complex footwork, intricate geometric shapes, and rapid turns. It has a rhythmic phrases and stances in certain words like tadhim, dhim, tudani, etc. This composition includes tukadas, harans, gat, and tihayas. Taran set to Ektal, music and choreography by Padma Bhushan Srimati Kumudini Lakhya, instructed by Sanjakta Sinha. Now, the artist will conclude her concert by performing a patriotic song, Priyam Bharatam, which portrays the richness of our culture and the country. Presenting Priyam Bharatam, written by Sri Chandrabhanu Tripathi, music composition and sung by Vidushi Momita Mitra, especially for Gayana Sabha.
सुरम्यं विशालं प्रकामं सरित्तारहारैः ललालं निकामं प्रकृत्या सुरम्यं विशालं प्रकामं सरित्तारहारैः ललालं निकामं हिमाद्रिः ललाटे पदे चैव सिन्धु प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा दर्शनीयं प्रकृत्या धनानां निधानं धरायां प्रधानं धनानां निधानं धरायां प्रधानम् इदं भारतं देवलोकेन तुल्यम् इदं भारतं देवलोकेन तुल्यं यशो यस्य शुभ्रं विदेशेषु गीतं यशो यस्य शुभ्रं विदेशेषु गीतं प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा पूजनीयं प्रकृत्या अनेके प्रदेशा अनेके च वेशा अनेकानि रूपाणि भाषा अनेका परं यत्र सर्वे वयं भारतीया प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा रक्षणीयं प्रकृत्या सुधीरा जना यत्र युद्धेषु वीरा शरीरार्पणेनापि रक्षन्ति देशं स्वधर्मानुरक्ता सुशीलाश्च